Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5064081 or KB5064401 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to start App Readiness services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, scroll down at the end, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, then pause and restart the updates. For this, go to Windows settings, and then here you can see pause, so click on pause. Now once you hit pause, this process may take some time, and once the pause is complete, you have to hit resume update over here. Now once paused, now hit resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to run SFC and DISM command. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, click, and then paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will run scan. Now once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5064401, and click on search over here. Sorry. This one, KB5064081. So you can search both the update and you can install the update manually. Now once you find the update, now over here, for me it's Windows 11 version 2.4H2. I have 2.4H2, Windows 11 version 2.4H2 x64 based system. So you can check WINVER. So type in WinVer in Windows search box and then click on WinVer, and over here you will see version. In my case it's version 2.4H2. so if you have 2.5H2, you have to install the 2.5H2 one. Now you have to check what kind of system you have. You can go to system and then you can go to about option, and for me it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 2.4H2 x64 based system. Similarly, if you have Windows 11 version 2.5H2 x64 based system, then this is the right one for me. For me this is the right one, Windows 11 version 2.4H2 x64 based. Click on download. You have to download the right one, and then you have to click on this KB5064081. Click on it, and then you can, once the download is complete, you have to click on this file and install this update manually. Just follow, once you click on it, just follow the on-screen instruction to install this update, and you can do the same thing with this update, and that is KB this one. Do the same thing. Now still not working. The next step is to use option fix problem using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option, and then go to recovery option over here, and then here you can see the option fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now, and then this process will take some time, and once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and once the download is complete, you have to run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see the screen. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next over here, select ISO file over here, and then click on next, and then you can save it to desktop. Click on save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, click on finish option. Once you hit finish, let it close automatically, and then you can go to Windows desktop and then make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next over here, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this one is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.